Alright, here's what I got. It's a small fireworks stash update. Okay, first of all, I got 1.4 G's by Red Apple. And I got 1, 2, 3, 6 packs of these. There's one left. That's the tube they're in. These are pretty good. I'm gonna do demos and everything on it. Then I got your old Excaliburs right here. This is like last year's version because they don't have the little plastic tops on them. But I kind of like these better. 3 of those. It's already blew a few off, that's why. And then here, got, oh, it's the wrong one. Tube in here. Anyway, these are Chaos Shells. Maximum Load by Wild Dragon. And these are really good, I love them. I got, what I got here? 8 of those. This is the odds and ends. Then I got Executioner Blood Shells. Right here by Certified Black Label. These are all like 1.4 G's. I got 12, 13 of those left. I already blew off a few. Of course, had to scratch that pyro itch, as somebody would say. Right here. I'm going to demo them all when I get a chance. And Triumph right here. These are pretty good. And they're the large canister shells. I got extra large and everything somewhere else, but I didn't want to store like a bunch of fireworks all in one spot because to me it's a little unsafe. You never know what's going to happen. You know what? I think I'll take out one of these shells here. Hold on. Actually, the mortar tube. A little knife going on here. Should open that one because it's already open, but I'm trying to make it kind of quick, so. There we go. Triumph. I only bought half a case of those because I'm going to check them out. Did I miss anything on the mortars? No. And I got Brothers Heavyweight 350 gram cake here called Call the Shots. And this stuff I all got from one person. This is going to be like the stash of what I get from each person. And it's not a 500 gram cake like people are calling it. It's 350, but it's really good. So if you come across it, get it. And I got this one for 26 bucks, which is a pretty good deal for where I'm at. And then my little 200 gram cakes, which I like. It's just me. I got Grand Canyon 16 shot by Brothers, Daffodil 16 shot by Brothers, Martin Bombers, and AF1. They're all 16 shots. And it came in like I guess he said a 10 pack or 8 pack or something. And then I got a 200 gram cake called My Favorite Color. And I think that's pretty good. By Alien. I'll be demoing when I get a chance. Like I said. Oh yeah, and I got a 500 gram cake here called Flood Red. It's a really old one. But it's bomb. 61 shots here. I got a good deal. 26 bucks. And then I got a newer one. The outside's a little beat up, but everything inside is fine. XL Triumph 16-shot XL Aerial cake. And it's the red one. Exclusive Triumph brand, whatever. There's the top. Got a little messed up there, but it's alright. It'll still do its 1.4G job. I really don't buy anything that's not 1.4G except those 200-gram cakes there. Because I kind of like them. I don't know why. It's the kid in me. And, let's see here. Oh, yeah. Roman candle assortment. And I don't really want to take this apart, but I guess I will anyway. It has 2 Roman candles with tails. And they're all 10 balls, not 8 balls. And there's some loose powder in there as usual. By Boomer. But these are just your standard Roman candles, but to me they're a little better than your normal ones you would get in a variety pack. Kind of like that, but a little better. And then I got 2 10-ball Roman candle. Okay, 10-ball regular Roman candle by Boomer. 2 of those. And then trying to make this as quick as possible. Oh, I didn't say the performance, did I? There. The 10-ball with tail is red and white and blue stars with tail, which is just your basic small Roman candle. And this one, performance, doesn't say. It says warning, emits showers of sparks. Oops, and there's powder coming out of the bottom of it. But that's alright, that's standard for these candles. And then I got a 2 crackling 10-ball candle by Boomer, of course. Boomer generally doesn't make the best, but these are probably, I looked at them online and stuff, they looked alright. It's for my 11-year-old niece anyway, so. And it says performance, 10 super crackling balls. So basically it probably goes like everybody knows. And then I got 2 flashing thunders by Cutting Edge. Performance flashing thunder with extremely loud reports. I've heard these are really good. And I see them on there. It's pretty good for this size candle, which is like your little ones that you probably get in a variety pack or something. And then I got Blue Thunder. Blue stars with loud bangs. So basically it goes by Cutting Edge. How many of those did I get? 2. And then I got the last 2 is Color Thunder. Performance. Red stars with bangs. Green stars with bang. Then repeat 5 times by Cutting Edge. Okay, I got a good deal on these for where I'm at. About $2 a piece. I'm like I paid $30 for 12 of them. Where I'm at, that's a good deal because I looked online. They're actually $24. And so this is my small fireworks stash. Thank you all for looking at my small fireworks stash. I appreciate anybody who subscribes and everything. And you all have a good day and a good night. And I'll definitely demo each and every one of these. I'll probably do it closer to the 4th though, because I got a nosy old lady across the street that always calls the cops. Even though they don't ever do anything, but they come an hour and a half later, but still, it's kind of a nuisance. Alright, take care all.